Hey everyone, today we're going to be comparing Mountain Dew. The one on the left is from 1977, and then the one on the right is brand new from 2019. Today we're going to open these up, see if they smell the same, if they taste the same, if they look the same when we pour them out side by side in clear glasses, and what ingredients have changed side by side. First, we're going to take a look at both of the containers. First one, from 1977, Mountain Dew, Yahoo, Mountain Dew, 10 fluid ounces, same thing on the other side, nice green bottle, up top, try to focus that in as best as I can, Pepsi Cola. Let's get a look at the top. That's where we have all the ingredients. Yeah, focused in perfectly. Wonder if there's still carbonation in this. Okay, now let me find it on the bottom. Okay, you see right here on the bottom, it says 1977. So that's when this thing was bottled. Let's get a look at the other one. Mountain Dew. Take a look at the back. Back in the 70s, they didn't need nutrition facts. They just put the ingredients on it. Okay, let's pour these out into some clear glasses. See if the colors change at all. Not a twist off. Today we're going to open this up with Mr. Moose. There was a little bit of a hiss. I think this one has completely gone flat. Doesn't smell too bad. It's sticky. Let's pour that out. Yeah, it got a little bit dark. I'm going to tell you what that is. The coloring in soda gets dark when the flavoring starts to rot and go away. So I can almost guarantee when I taste this, I'm only going to be tasting corn syrup. It's going to taste like corn syrup. The good old flavor is going to be gone. That's a disappointment. That sometimes happens. Okay, let's open this one up, which is going to be almost clear. And it has carbonation in it. I'm probably going to shake this thing up for a little while, get rid of the carbonation, then it'll be a little bit more fair. Yeah, this one here is like yellow. So that one right there was 10 ounces. What is this one? Yeah, it's a 16. A little bit bigger. But side by side, yeah, that there looks more like beer or tea. That is freaky how much that's changed color. What the? I gotta show this after. There's like little particles floating around in it everywhere. There's like dust in it. Yeah, you can't even smell the good old flavor. The flavor in this is gonna be gone. I can tell by the smell. Yeah, like this. Yeah, that's awesome. It's supposed to be bright yellow. But this, there's like stuff floating in it. You can see it. There's dust floating around in there. Okay, look at the bottom. You see that moving around? Why is there dust in it? What in soda was able to settle and turn into that? What the? That's gross. Like the flavor, I'm going to tell you, it's not bad. The flavoring in the soda went away. So now all I'm tasting is corn syrup. And corn syrup doesn't taste bad, you know? It's really sweet and all that. And I have no problem drinking corn syrup because the flavoring deteriorated and that's why it turned brown. The flavor pretty much rotted, you could say. We're going to do one more test on this at the end of the video, but now the ingredients. I always like to write out the ingredients like this side by side so we can get a good look at this. Carbonated water is number 1. They always go over to high fructose corn syrup. The soda itself, as you can see on here, the new one does still have 61 grams of sugar, but yeah, they always have to put this in. I understand that Mexico still makes these sodas with real sugar, but I'm not comparing Mexican sodas. Both of these were made in the United States. I'm just trying to prove a point that new ones are so much more unhealthy than the old ones used to be. So we can go down the list here. You can see what's changed. This one here, it says orange juice and other natural flavors. The new one just says concentrated orange juice, so that already doesn't sound good. We go down the list a little more. Side by side, a few things have changed. Like this one here says FD and C. I don't know what that means. The new one doesn't have that. It says number 5 yellow. This one still has number 5 yellow, but it's way down on the list there. Yep. For some reason, this one here, this is separate, while the other one, it has it all clustered together. Like this had a comma in between those. I don't know what that has to do with any of it. Now here's something new that I like to do with soda. I like to put down a plate, pour some of the nasty contaminant onto the plate, and actually, you can get a better look now at the particles. You see all that stuff floating in it? Look at all that dirt and grime floating in the soda. The soda bottle was sealed. How did that stuff form? I don't know. But I here have drinking water test kits. This isn't water, and it's also not clear, but it will tell us if there's dangerous metals in there. And obviously, because it's soda, the pH should be on the bottom of the scale. Highly doubt it, because it would have to come from the factory since it's in a glass bottle. We'll give this 1 minute, and we'll see. You see? Okay, 1 minute. I am back 1 minute later. The total hardness, I would probably say around 120. No chlorine, no iron, no copper, no lead, no nitrate, no nitrite. Total alkalinity is off the scale, downwards, like below the 0 or at the 0. pH is in the number 5s, typical for soda. According to this, all of these check out okay. Don't know what that stuff is in there floating around. Thanks for watching.